Today our topic is what is router and how router works. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It serves as a central hub that connects multiple devices within a network and routes data traffic between them. Routers operate at the network layer 3 of OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection, which is responsible for logical addressing, routing information, and forwarding of data across different networks. Routers functions by examining the destination's address of data packets and determining the most efficient path for the packets to reach their intended destination. They maintain routing table or routing protocols that contain information about the network topology and available path. Using this information, routers make intelligent decisions about where to send packets. In addition to their routing capabilities, routers often include other features such as network address translations, firewall functionality, virtual private network, support quality of services management, and more. These features enhance the security, performance, and reliability of the network. Routers are commonly used in home, business, and large scale networks to connect devices to internet or to create local network which called LAN and wide area network which called WAN. They play a crucial role in directing data traffic and ensuring efficient communication between different networks.